Okay, good morning all. Good morning. I am audible.
Good morning,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this one ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು Salad ಅಲ್ಲಿ correct? I have not shown this in Salad, right? How to construct this particular spigot and cotter joint using Salad. I shown manual sketching I shown, but you have to complete this using Salad. I can show actually. Uh, so shall I complete this, or I will go for the some assembly drawing. So after that I will go for constructing this one. Okay. So today I will explain some assembly drawings. Okay. Uh, Later I will take this one. Okay. This one I have completed manual sketching. Manual sketching agide. I need to complete in using Sardage. Or else just on 30 minutes only, on 20 minutes, maximum 20 minutes, I will show this. Later I will go for the uh, assembly drawings. Okay. I will show this one. I will take 15 to 20 minutes to complete this one. Later I will go for the ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರವಿಕುಮಾರ್ ಹತ್ರ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು 1 ವರ್ಷ ಇದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಐತೆ ಬಂದು ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಸರ್ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಅಂತಂದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ Okay, so now come to the cotter joint. I will show you how to construct the cotter joint. Okay, so in this, first we need to construct a taper. This what is this part? This part is a cotter. Okay, it is acts as a pin only. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು metal joint ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು pin ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ we call it as a cotter. Instead of pin, we call it as a cotter. It has a flat paste. It has some thickness. Okay, so from the top to bottom, okay, it has some taper here at the one end, at the left hand here, left hand side. Right hand side we have a straight line here. Okay, only left hand side there is a taper. Okay, its taper is 1:30, and here we don't know the dimension. At this end also we don't know the dimension, but here we have a dimension at the center, at the axis, at this point we have a dimension, that is 1.3d. Here width we know. Okay, so total length is 3.5d, and diameter of the rod is you can take it as d, you can take it as 20 millimeters. 3.5 means it is 70 millimeters it will come. Okay, so out of 70, this side 35 and this side 35. Okay, so here for the 35, how much it is going to decrease? For 30 mm, it is going to decrease by 1 millimeters. Okay, this width is there now. This width is going to decrease by 1 millimeters for every 30 millimeters. Therefore, what about for 35 millimeters from here to here? We need to calculate that. Okay, for 35 millimeters, how much it is going to decrease? So that we need to do the class multiplication and we need to calculate that one. Okay, now Draw a center line, go to axis representation, it will be 0.13. Okay, so now draw a straight line because we have a straight line here from the center. You draw a straight line which is of 35, that is 3.5 D means 70 millimeters. 3.5 D means 70 millimeters. Continuous line 0.5 millimeters from any point, that is 75 millimeters. Sorry, how much? 35 millimeters. From any point, 35 millimeters. Okay. Now we have a width here. This is here we have a 1.3D. 1.3D means 26 millimeters. 1.3D means 26 millimeters. This is 26 millimeters. Okay. So now once again we have this total length this side 35. Okay. So from here to here the total distance is how much? 75. That is 35 this side, 35 this side. At the center also we have a dimension here. Okay. This is how much? That is 1.3D. 1.3D. So according to that we have marked. Now we need to calculate the taper at this point. Now how to calculate this? So for that is 1:30 means for 30 mm, okay, this diameter is going to decrease by an amount of how much? 1 millimeters. Okay, therefore for 35 millimeters, how much it is? Calculate madidira. How much it is? Estaಗುತ್ತೆ? That is 35 by 30. 35 by 30 means how much? 35 by 30.
1.0 something what is it?
35 by 30. How much? 1.16. Correct? So that is 1.16 1.17 millimeters. Okay. Therefore, at the other end, 26 minus 1.17. How much is this? 26 minus 1.17. Okay. 26 minus 1.17. That is equal to how much? 24.83 millimeters at the other end. So now what I am doing is from this side is anyhow it is straight. From here it is how much? 24 point 24.83.
24.8.
Okay, 24.83. Okay, from here to here, draw an inclined line. So now we know the this line. Now you extend that up to using extend command. You extend this one up to this point. So now trim the excess line. Okay, what about the diameter at the other end? That is width at the other end 27.17. At this point 24.83. Like this, you need to construct this particular drawing. That is cutter. Okay, after this cutter, any doubts up to here?
No, sir.
Same, iದೇ ತರ ನೀವು manual drawing ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ construct ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And here we have a small curve representation. We don't have any dimension for that. Roughly we can show that using curve command. Okay, roughly we can show this one like this. Roughly we can show this one. Okay, and this side also. Roughly we can show this one. And here we don't have any line. You delete it. So after this, I will come for this particular this part. This part is ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ನಾವು. Okay, what is that part? Part name is called as spigot. Okay, that part name is called as spigot. That is one part is there. Spigot is one part. Okay, that I am going to construct. So this diameter is how much? ಈ diameter ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ 1.2D. Correct? 1.2D. Okay, 1.2D. And what is the length of this? Okay, this one 1.2D up to here means from the center, how much it is from here? He has given this 3 plus 0.65D. How much is this up to here? 3 plus 0.65D. 3 plus 0.65D. How much? 0.65D means how much it will be? 0.65D. 0.65 into ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 13, ರೈಟ್? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 13. 0.65D means 13. 0.65 into 20 is equal to 13. 13 plus this 3 mm. How much? 16 millimeter. Therefore, from this end, we need to draw a 16 millimeter. Okay, up to here, we need to construct this particular draw. This. Okay, now, what I'm doing is, I'll go for the offset command. Okay. So, once again, what is this diameter? This is 1.2D. 1.2D means how much? 24 millimeters. 1.2D means 24 millimeters. Go to offset. So, here, 24 means half of that, 12. Okay, 12 millimeters. And select single, press enter. Okay, this side 12 millimeters and this side once again 12 millimeters. I told you. Okay, once again go to offset only. Okay, from here to here, what is the dimension which we have calculated? 16 millimeters. 16 millimeters. Select the single. From here, you draw a 16 millimeters. You know how this is 16 millimeters? Gotaide hege anta idu 16 millimeters. So extend this up to this line. Okay, extend this up to this one and trim this also. Trim this. Okay, because from here to here, okay, this distance is 3 mm. This 3 mm gap plus 0.65D is 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. It will come up to here. And here, up to here, we don't know the hand. Okay, we don't have a hand here. Hand illa namge. But here we have this. From this side, it is how much? From this side, it is 3.3D plus 6 mm. Later, we can construct it. Not a problem. Okay, you don't worry now. Okay, now come to this part, this collar here, this collar. What is the diameter of this one? 1.5D. 1.5D. What is the thickness? 0.4D. 0.4D means 8 millimeters. So 1.5D means 30. 1.5D means 30 millimeters. Okay, now go to offset command. Okay, or else offset gottilla antandre neeven martira, just draw one line. Okay, so 1.5D means 30 millimeters. Half of that means how much? This is 15 millimeters. 15 millimeters. You can mirror it. Okay, this one, this side, you can mirror this one. Go to mirror option, select this one. With respect to this, you can mirror this. Okay, total distance is 15 millimeters. Now I told you. Okay, so from here, what is the thickness of this one? Thickness which we have calculated 0.4D. You trim this excess line. Now what is the thickness? What is the thickness of this? 0.4D. 0.4D means how much? 8 millimeters. Just draw one line. Okay, now you give the dimension, which is equal to how much? Which is equal to 8 millimeters. Now you trim the excess lines. Trim madaki. Okay. So now this collar also which has been completed. 30 millimeters. 30 millimeters. Okay, after this, just show a pi d. Pi d means how much? Pi d means 20. Pi d means 20. Okay. So just show one. There's a line of 20 millimeters. That is 20 means 10 millimeters. That is 10. Offset kuda madkobodu neevu. You can do the offset. And this side also, it is how much? 10 millimeters only. Okay, this side also it is 10 millimeters only. Offset is very easy when compared to this separately constructing this. That is very easy. And trim this excess lines. Delete this also, and this becomes 20 millimeters. That is pi d. Okay, if you want, you can show the shaft representation. That is using curve. Using curve representation, you show this. Okay, so this portion is completed. Next, come to the socket here. So now I told you, from here, what is the distance which you have here? From this end, what we have here? D. D means how much? D means how much? D means 20. Okay. So now I told you this reference we have. Okay. This reference, from this reference we have given D is equal to 20. Okay. Now what about this diameter? E diameter ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? E diameter ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? 2.5D. 2.5D. 2.5D means how much it is? 2.5 into 20 means 2.5 into 20. 50 millimeters. Okay, 50 means 25. That is half of that. Select the single. Press enter. Okay, press enter on side. This side 25. Right click once again. Select that one. Once again this side 25. 25, 25 both the side. You delete the dimension. Okay. So this also you can delete it. Let it be. Okay. Now I told you. Okay. What about this dimension up to here? Liver dimension is there. From here, this end to this end. How much is this?
16, sir.
Idu. Okay, this one. Okay, from this end to this end. Little bit it has gone inside. Okay. This is D. This is D means how much? 20 millimeters. D means 20 millimeters. Go to offset. D means 20 millimeters. Single. Press enter. From this end. Okay. From this end you do the offset. See, it has come inside. Little bit inside ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Don't worry. So now ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? Extend this. Extend up to this. And this also extend this. So now I will trim this. Excess lines. I will trim this also. This also. Okay. So now what I am doing is I will extend this one. I will extend this. I will extend this one also. Now I will trim this excess line, and this also I will trim. Okay. So after this, what is the this diameter? What about this diameter? This diameter is how much?
1.75D.
75D. 1.75D means how much? 1.75D means how much?
35.
1.75 into 20. 35. 1.75D into 20 means it is how much? 35. So now I will go for offset. Okay, from this 35 by 2. Direct enter ಮಾಡೋದು 35 by 2. Select your single. Press enter. Okay, this side. And as well as select once again. Click on this side. Okay, so both this side I have done how much? 35, 17.5 and 70.5 I have done it. Okay. So now we know the this end. Okay, ಈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಎಂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಈ ಎಂಡ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 3.3D plus 6 mm. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇಂದ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ? 3.3D plus 6 mm. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3.3D plus 6 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3.3 into 20 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 3.3 plus 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 72. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ? Okay, from here we need to draw a line at a distance of 72 millimeters. From where? From this end. Okay, e line in the ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. From this end we need to draw how much? 72.
70.
Okay, go to offset. So now 72 millimeters line. There is offset distance. Single. Press enter. Select this line. Once again press enter. Okay, you can offset this particular line. So now what I am doing is, I will end this one. Okay, e place 72 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ I will trim the excess line which is coming behind the 72. So now go to trim option. I will trim this one. I will trim this also. This also you can trim, this not a problem. Okay, and I will trim this also. This also. Okay, I will delete this one. New line reference ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ. Delete it. So now we can measure this. How much is, sorry, from here, from this end, it is 72, correct alva? Okay, e place in the 72, not from this end. Note from in the inner end, right? From this end it is 72. From this end it is 72. From the inner end, not from the outer end.
Okay, sir.
From here it is 72. Offset 72. Single. Select this one. Once again press enter. 72. Okay, from the inner end, not from the outer end. Okay. So now we extend this. Extend to next. Extend this. Select this. Once again it will extend. Trim this inside one. Now trim this line also. So now we can show the dimension from this end to this inside end. This end to this inside end is 72.
Sir, 80 ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಈ ಒಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ. Okay, from this end. Okay, from this end. How much? 72. Okay, after this, okay, this will come up to this portion. Okay, so this will come up to this inside. We have some line, right? Up to that it will come. That means I will go for the trim option. I will trim this and trim this also, and here also I will trim this, and this one also I will trim, and here also. Okay, I will trim this. I will trim this and I will trim this also. Okay. So after this, see this portion of this one. Okay. After inserting, okay, this portion which is coming inside. Okay, this portion is here. This, whenever you take the section, this portion is coming back to the behind this one. What is the section? Okay. Okay, this whenever you take the section, this pin is visible, but this portion of the pin is also not visible. Okay, so this portion is this line. This is also not visible. Okay, in such cases, whenever you take this section, we need to show this line as a hidden line. As a hidden line. So now what I am doing is I will go for the trim option. Now this line kuda beda idu. I will trim this. I will trim this also. Okay. This one you drag this side. After this, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಹಿಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Okay, this line show hidden line. Hidden line. Okay, what is this? Okay, this portion here, this is coming here, this end and this end, which is coming behind this pin. Therefore, which we cannot see. Therefore, trim ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇದು. ಇದು ಕೂಡ trim ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Now I will go for line. Join with the help of which line? Hidden line. I will join with the help of hidden line. Okay, and this portion also. ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇದು ಕೂಡ join with the help of which line? Which line? Hidden line. Join with the help of line. Because that is coming behind this pin. Okay, pin ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ, but ಇದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. So this we can see here. But ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈ ಶಾಫ್ಟ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 20. Okay, so we can show it in a visible line, not a problem. ಇದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಬಹುದು. Because that shaft can be seen here. Okay, that shaft can be seen. Okay, only this portion only which we cannot see, that is coming behind. Therefore, show this particular portion in a hidden line. You could go to hidden line up to here. Okay, so after this I will come to okay, here what is the distance from here to here? 0.5d, correct? 0.5d. Are you able to say this? 0.5d. 0.5d means how much? 0.5d means 10 millimeters. You draw one line. Okay, that distance is how much? 10 millimeters. That distance is 10 millimeters. Let it be this one in a continuous line. Okay, continuous line. Okay. So now I go to trim this also, you trim this. So now this becomes a socket. This part is a socket. A socket he has inserted this particular part. This is spigot. Spigot na socket alli insert madidane. Okay, now we need to show the one distance, that is small distance, that is equal to how much? That is equal to how much? 3 millimeters. Okay, that is the end of this part. This part is spigot is okay, this spigot part end, it will come up to this portion. Okay, so what is the end of this? End of this means this end, 3 millimeters from this end. Okay, 3 millimeters this from this end means go to offset from here. 3 millimeters, select single, offset for you, 3 millimeters, select single, select this one, then press enter, draw a 3 millimeters line. Let it be in continuous line. Let it be in continuous line. Okay, this distance is how much? 3 millimeters. This distance is 3 millimeters. Okay, so now we have shown this also. Okay, so what is the meaning of that? So this portion, okay, this is a one part which will end at this position, and there is a small gap here between this part and this part. Okay, in the same fashion, okay, whatever we shown, this side also we need to show. Go to mirror option. Okay, before that you select this one. Okay, this portion. Go to mirror option. Mirror. Okay, let me select the center. Mirror ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. Control Z. Okay, so now from any point you mirror this. Go to mirror option. First select this. First to select this. Select entire thing. Go to mirror option. Or else separate create ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, but it will consume time. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, with respect to any point I will mirror this. Okay, I will select this also. I'll go to mirror option. With respect to any point, any line, you mirror this. Then right click. Now buntu ikkade correct. So now what I'm doing is I will go for the move. I select this. In the same line, I will move this one. So now I will remove this portion. Okay. So now this completes a particular spigot front view. So now we need to mark the sectional view, that is hatching we need to complete. Control on, move ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು, ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು. and this also I will trim this. Okay, and I will trim this one here also. Control on, move it, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, drag it. Okay, now we need to show the hatching. We need to show the hatching. Now go to curve here. This small curve ಹಾಕಿ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು section view ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. So which is that part, particular part? Okay, this is the one. Okay, now go to fill option. You fill this also. ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಫುಲ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ವು. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕರ್ವ್, ಇರಿಟೇಟ್, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is a complete part of this. Okay, this is a spigot. This is a spigot. This is ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರಬೇಕು angle? What should be the angle?
45 degree.
45 degree. It should be 45 degree. 45 degree. ಈ ಕಾಲರ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಕಾಲರ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಾಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಡಿ. What about the other part? What about the other part? Now go to other part. This is a whatever I shown. This is a spigot. Now socket. Okay, now you show the socket. Okay, so 135 ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. To show it in the opposite direction, I will take 135. Okay, and I will complete the hatching. I will complete the hatching. For the shaft, no need to show the hatching. For the shaft, for the bolts and nuts, for the screws, small parts ಎಲ್ಲ hatching, what is the section ತೋರಿಸಬಾರ್ದು, hatching ತೋರಿಸಬಾರ್ದು. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಂಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರ, ಏನು ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೆಲ ಶಾಫ್ಟ್ಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲರ್ಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ 3 mm ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪು ಇಲ್ಲಿ What is the gap we have here? 3 millimeters. Small 3 millimeters gap we need to give here. Go to offset. Go to offset. Select this one. 3 millimeters single. Press enter this side. This side. Okay, let it be in continuous line. So here zoom ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Zoom it. So that gap we need to show. That gap we need to show. So now I will go for the trim option. Trim this also. Okay. ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. Show the gap here. So now delete the red field once again. Delete. Now we have shown the 3 mm gap. Now we have shown the 3 mm gap. Okay, this completes your front view. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಒಂದೆರಡು ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Okay, you need to practice 1 or 2 times and you need to complete this. Same ಇದೇ ತರ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. In a sketching that I shown already. Sketching ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಾನು. So once again top view, come to the top view of this particular. ಮತ್ತೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅದು? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, now you complete the top view. Okay, so ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ರೈಟ್? Looking from the top, how it looks. Looking from the top ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಶಾಫ್ಟು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗೇ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ? ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಪಿನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ತರ. ರೈಟ್? ಯಾವ ತರ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ ನಾವು. ಮಾಡಿಬಲ್ ಕೇಳಿಸಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ದಿ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ವಿತೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಿನ್, ವಿತೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಟರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. Select this portion, then go to move option, go to move option. In the same line, just move this. The same line, you move this one. The same line, you just move it. Okay. After this, whenever you looking for, you remove this hatching ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಿದು, because in top view we are not showing any section. Remove this hatching, remove this hatching, remove this hatching. This line also remove it. Remove this one also. Remove this. And these two, show it in the visible line. Show it in the visible line. So now you can extend this line and this line. Okay. Extend ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, now whenever you assemble this, okay, whether this portion are you able to see this? Assume that there is no section ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, full cover ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು. Are you able to see this portion? ಈ shaft ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? spigot shaft ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದು? Looking from the top, are you able to see this portion?
No, sir.
Which is coming inside, right? Which is coming inside. Assume that top ನಲ್ಲಿ section ತಗೊಳಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, section ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ full cover ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ material. Okay, this whenever we have not taken this section, in such cases this portion is not visible, which is coming inside this pocket ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ spigot.
Hidden line.
Okay, ಆ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Okay, this portion, okay, completely from here, okay, and this also, we show it in which line? Hidden line. We show it in hidden line. Show it in hidden line. Okay, now extend ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That should be in visible line, continuous line. That is visible because this end is there now. This end, okay, this end is completely visible, and this end also, this diameter of this one is visible. That is the line which I shown here. This is the one. Okay, after this, now looking from the top, are you able to see this particular pin portion ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? This is what which is drawn. Top view of this. What is the width of this? 0.3D. How much is this? 0.3D width of this. Okay, now what I am doing is project ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, pin portion project ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Project this one up to this. Let it be in very thin line. Okay, project this. Okay, now this also you project this using 0.13, very thin line. Okay, once again from here you project it. So now I told you this thickness is how much? This thickness is 0.3D. 0.3D means how much? 0.3D means
6 millimeters.
6 millimeters. So now you mark this from here 3 millimeters. Okay, from here 3 millimeters mark ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, this is 3 millimeters. Once again this side also 3 millimeters. If you want, you can mirror this line. Okay, this line with respect to this line, this center, you can mirror it. So now this width is 6 millimeters according to 0.3D. Okay, now what I am doing is just show the curve. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ವ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಕರ್ವ್ ಆರ್ಕ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ, ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕರ್ವ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Hold the control key, make this portion visible. That is 0.5 because we are showing key. So now what I am doing is I will draw a circle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಈ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ. Okay, then go to move option, move to this end. So now you trim these excess lines. Okay, make this portion visible. Make this portion visible. Okay. In the same way, this side also. If you want, you can mirror image this one. Mirror, go to mirror, select this. This is the center. Up to here, we can mirror it. So now you trim this. Trim ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, ಇದನ್ನ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Move this one from here up to this portion. So now you delete it. Excess line, okay, excess things, you can trim this. I'm showing pin in the top view. Okay, I'm showing pin in the top view. Trim this and complete the pin. And here we have some small gap here. Okay, this portion is called as a gap. 3 mm gap ideyalva, a gap adu. Okay, that also you can show this. Okay, go to move option, copy this, take this as reference up to here, you move this. This is a gap actually. Okay, this is a gap which we have there. 3 mm gap. Draw a straight line from here. Once again from this side. Draw the straight line. Complete with help of visible line. 0.5 millimeters thickness. Okay, this completes a particular drawing. Okay, this is a pin representation. Illu kuda neevu small curve ತರ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ dimension ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, and this also you can mirror this side with respect to center. Visible ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is 0.5, let it be. Okay, so this is this completes your pin. Pin ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು. This has to be shown in the top view. This has to be shown in the top view. This has to be shown in the top view. This is a pin. Okay, this completes your top view. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಪಿನ್ ಹಾಕೋದೇ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪಿನ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ. ಸಾಲಿಡ್ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ದೇಳಿ, ಇದು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಮೂವ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೂವ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಓಕೆ, ಸೈಡ್ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೌ ಐ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಚಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ದಿಸ್. Hold the control key, ಎರಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು, I will make this as visible, that is continuous thick line, and I will extend this one, extend this, I will extend this. Okay, now I am joining these lines with the help of, that is I am showing with the help of hidden lines, because whenever you assemble this part, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಅಸೆಂಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಕಾಣಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. Now you complete this, project this also. So now here from this end you project it. So this is called as a gap. ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಟೇಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಟೇಪರ್. ನೋಡಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, 3 mm ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ. So this is how we need to, once again you construct this particular by projecting this ಪಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ ಇದು? ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೆಚಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅದೇ ತರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅವೆವರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ sketching. Same way you are also doing in sketching. Okay, so we need to show the separate calculation on the sheet. Illi ಏನು separate ನೀವು calculation ತೋರಿಸೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. On the sheet, okay, on the hard copy you need to do all the calculations whatever required for the construction. That is all these 1.2D, 1.75D, 5D, 1.5D, 2.5D, 3.5D. All these dimensions we need to show separate. We need to calculate on a sheet. But in solid edge, no need to show those things. Only this is enough in solid edge. Only thing is you need to write the question here. Question number 3A. That's all, nothing else. No need to show any things. Only construct the drawing and show the dimensions, main dimensions. Only show the main dimensions. Okay, take the break for 30 minutes. Okay, after that, I will start assembly drawing. Okay, in that assembly drawing, I will start today.